Okay, ladies and gentlemen, friends, colleagues, and listeners, here I am, as you can see, dressed in not normal attire, but I've got a few things I've got to do for Christmas with my granddaughters, and I've seen some lovely videos on LinkedIn and YouTube, and I'm going to try and do something special for them. And I thought, why not dress up like this, at least for the end of the year? So it's been a tough one for everyone, I know, but please God, next year is going to be much, much better, and we all have to remain positive. I've got a few little words to say, a few thank yous, so I hope you'll bear with me. So, firstly, here we are. Another year has passed, and personally, I'm glad it's done at last. What a bloody year 2020 was, and ending now with me as dear old Santa Claus. Listening to our guests and their views, watching and reading the ever changing news. For so many, it has been such a nightmare. But in 2021, we should all now dare to care. Be kind, consider others, broaden your scope, as many have lost and all they have now is hope. At this time, colleagues need a friend, as our industry and others are at last starting to mend. So, to everyone who has listened or shared any points of view, questions, whatever it may be, thank you so, so much. To all the representative and regulatory bodies, well done. Keep it up. Be quick, be clear in 2021. And to all the industry journalists, some fantastic coverage and articles. So, so impressed with the content. To everyone on the front line, like other front lines, huge respect and great credit to you all. And I know that everybody at EVA, especially Salem and Parveen, would like to say a big, big thank you. It's been a tough year for everyone. Next year, we're continuing. We're starting with Nick Kareen from IATA, which will be in the first week of January. We're continuing the Turbulent series with David Van Miller. That's a great look to the past and what's happened over the last 50 years in the industry. Stephen Dixon every Saturday. And we've also got an innovation digital event in January. So to end, I'm not going to sing. There's nothing in the background. It's just me. And I'd just like to say, have the very, very best of family and friends time over Christmas and the New Year's celebrations. Stay safe, have fun. And 2021, I'm sure, is going to be much, much better than anything that we can ever imagine. And just one last message. Should you fail, then fail having dared greatly. Really go for it now in 2021 and dare to care about others as well. Thank you so much. All the best. And it's really appreciated to everybody that's listened in. And all I can say is ho, 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 ho. And thank you very, very much. All the best.